concentrating my next few hours, looking out beyond the sea. While my dreams had my attention, you were standing next to me. Never really comprehending, living life as one big lie, idolizing this, looking at the next one. All the time you were by my side. Unselfishly devoted to my demands, always being there at my surprise. Never understood how you compromise. Many years went by till I realized unconditional love was at my doorstep, knocking at my heart with hidden tears. Self-centered, never understanding, I was blind through all those years. Causing me to stumble, waiting for the dreams that would not come, licking my wounds, feeling sorry for myself, marching to the beat of a different drum. Looking back now, everything's so clear. The void has created an empty heart. I should have known right from the start that you loving me was the hardest part. Tombo mato yeso akakaka. Somba tumba tua ika mako mako ui. Tombo mato yeso akakaka.